Blog Talk Radio.
Check out the full episode of this on MENTELLECT Patreon. This Queendom has run its course. This Queendom has run its course. And the sign of this Queendom that has run its course is the females of this Queendom. They have gotten lower and lower and lower till they can't get no lower. There's all kinds of mental degeneracy, starting with the females, because what did the most honorable Elijah Muhammad say? You can judge a nation of people by the women. By the women, because if women, females, for this, I can't refer to these females as women. See, women know their place, women know the order, and women respect real men. Real men. Real women respect real men. Class, real women respect real men and the energy that they carry, that masculine energy, you see. And men admire, love, and adore the feminine energy of women. Real women. Now, females, they are a whole nother thing. Females are a whole nother thing, a whole nother energy. Right? That said, there's a whole bunch of females out here and very few women. Just like I said, it's a whole bunch of males out here and very few men. You see, the males and the females are the ones who then make it to the status of men and women. They think that men and women is synonymous with male and female, and it is not. You see, I told you it's an intelligence thing. To be called a man, to be called men, to be called women is an intelligence thing, and it's meant to be done as a collective. You see, men and women are supposed to be together as a collective and together as mates. You see.
For the complete broadcast, you're going to have to go to MENTELLECT Patreon. Go to MENTELLECT Patreon for this complete broadcast, because it will not, I guarantee you, it will not be on YouTube. Subscribe to MENTELLECT Patreon and join the American Republic.
Subscribe to the Vendetta's Ethnic American channel, the Wise Men's channel from Brother Enru Janier. MENTELLECT Patreon, of course, subscribe to that. MENTELLECT Women's channel, so subscribe to all of that. Subscribe to I Am Mighty's Thoughts with the intellectual Benjamin Manhattan.